Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So what an amazing week. Donald Trump came out and he pushing crypto and Bitcoin adoption, and he's standing out that he will not allow the issuance of a CBDC in the United States. So huge U-turn in crypto policy in the US. My name is Mike Dankler from CorionX and from the CryptoMinds Global movement. I am bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video is a financial advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So guys, smash those like, push the bell and notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm. So let's go and check out our favorite bubble charts. Let's see what's happening out there. We see that Ethereum is up almost 3%, is trading around 3,900 US dollar, and we see that Ethereum ecosystem projects like Synthetics and other meme coins on Ethereum like Pepe and Floki are pumping. We see also Jasmine pumping, and almost most all the coins are pumping. Few are correcting, but they pumped really nicely during the weekend. So guys, let's go and check out. I have one article for you that how institutional adoption will push Bitcoin price beyond 400,000 US dollar. Yes, you heard right, 400,000. Institutional investors embracing Bitcoin could push its price to 400,000 or higher. Bitcoin ETF simplify investment, attracting significant institutional interest. A 5% institutional allocation could raise Bitcoin's market cap to over 7 trillion US dollar. So the Bitcoin market cap is 1.3 trillion US dollar right now. So it means at least a 5x in the Bitcoin price. Let's see what else do we have here. So they believe this could drive Bitcoin's price to 400,000 or even 1 million. So investors growing Bitcoin allure is growing as investors increasingly recognize its unique traits. The spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds simplify the process for investors, potentially leading to significant increase in Bitcoin price. Okay, so there's a potential growth. 700 professional investment firms have invested around 5 billion in these ETFs. Leading investors include Millennium Management, which has allocated about 3% of its 64 billion portfolio to Bitcoin ETFs. Others, such Morgan Stanley, Bracebridge Capital, State of Wisconsin Investment Board, are also significant participants. Despite this growth, institutional investors still represents only about 10% of the total ETF ownership. Let's check this. Yet, after conducting their research, I think they will all likely arrive at the same conclusion. Bitcoin's inherent characteristics make it a necessity in portfolios. Eventually, widespread adoption among institutional investors will occur, leading to a tsunami of capital flowing in a Motley Fool, analyst said. Okay, so if institutions allocate 5% of the almost 130 trillion assets to they manage to Bitcoin, its market cap could exceed 7 trillion US dollar, pushing its price beyond 400,000. Some analysts believe 5% allocation might be too conservative. ARK Investor suggests an optimal portfolio could include up to 19% Bitcoin for the best risk-adjusted returns. Okay, and with 5 years just coming in, let's make this bigger and let's see. Okay, so this is that what would be the impact of an optimal allocation into Bitcoin. 1% allocation would result 120,000 US dollar Bitcoin price. Almost 5% allocation, according to ARK Capital, would result 550,000 US dollar Bitcoin price, and this 19% allocation with maximum Sharpe ratio, rolling 5-year time horizon, 2.3 billion US dollar in Bitcoin price. So guys, this is definitely huge. Let's see what will happen with this. Now let's go to Twitter. Definitely follow me at MIKLOS on Twitter. Also follow Corion platform and follow laserpunk_guts, our upcoming NFT launchpad projects. So sending USDT and USDC and USDT with Phantom wallet is cheaper and faster that anything Cash App could provide. Solana has another use case besides meme coins. So guys, Phantom Wallet is now the #1 financial app in the App Store, and you see it's overall it's on the 11th place, just coming for then Snapshot and Cash App and just taking over them. So Argentina is about starting its Bitcoin adoption, 20 times bigger than El Salvador, and Argentina really needs BTC to solve the inflation problem. They started the discussions with El Salvador about the Bitcoin strategy and adoption, and Argentina is also in G20 nations. This indicator signals recession. Recession means money printing and liquidity to save the market. So as we are just zooming out, then we see this signaling, this Piper-Sandler rule has correctly forecasted all recessions since 1940 and now signaling recession as well. Labor market and hence the real economy slowly deteriorating due the high interest payments. The consumer is struggling. The economy will fall into a recession and its peers serve, including banking, pension funds, crisis. No, the Fed or liquidity cannot save us. This is about the real economy. So every time they saved the economy with printing money, forget chit-chat on higher for longer, or Fed will not allow a major recession. We'll see if they will allow or not. Massive expansion once Bitcoin breaks up from the previous all-time highs, now sitting and traded around the previous all-time highs, and it's not trading against the previous cycle high for 11 weeks, and in 2017 this took 4 weeks. In 2013 it took 13 weeks. Both resulted in massive expansion. I'm not expecting BTC to grow slow this time either once it leaves this price range behind us. Cool, guys. Give a like and share. Bitcoin and Ethereum is about to break out. According to Matthew Hyland, weekly bullish divergence on Bitcoin, weekly bullish divergence on Ethereum, total 2 weekly bullish divergence, and BTC dominance weekly bearish divergence. So it is breaking down. So guys, when Bitcoin and Ethereum maxes are coming together, better to love both Bitcoin and Ethereum. So now let's say the number one point boomers need to know is BTC is not yet a fixed cap asset. BTC is inflating at an extreme rate of 1 billion of new coins each month, 1 billion US dollar worth of new coins. And let's see what else. But Ethereum is deflating at a growing rate. Ethereum has a constant buying, decreasing its float. Thus, the Ethereum supply shock will severe. So guys, I don't know, but this is my favorite crypto video. Check out this. How crypto millionaires turned 0 into 100,000. Check out DeFi Tracer thread, and also another thread that how to make your first 1 million in the bull cycle. Donald Trump will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency, and Donald Trump, the future of Bitcoin and crypto will be made in the US. So guys, let's go to the beginning of this. Make this bigger.
I will ensure that the future of crypto and the future of Bitcoin will be made in the USA, not driven overseas. I will support the right to self-custody to the nation's 50 million crypto holders. I say this with your vote. I will keep Elizabeth Warren and her goons away from your Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
And I will never allow the creation of a central bank digital currency. I will also, in the future, Bitcoin will be made in the U.S.
So guys, Bitcoin on the weekly chart is consolidating and with a nice bullish engulfing candle. And if we are popping up this BBWP, it's always signaling when Bitcoin is bottoming out and breaking down. And when BBWP is crossing here at the bottom, that price increase is followed. So we are here in this consolidation range. So definitely look on the daily chart. So consolidation and breaking from this falling wedge, and Bitcoin was not able to break the 71,600, and we have another level at 73,000 US dollar level. So now consolidating, everything below 65,000 is bullish and it's supporting the consolidation. And I think these levels around 67 and 60 and 70,000 will be the strongest level in the next bear market. So maybe it will be the support and the lowest level in the next bear market, because this consolidation is happening here almost 74 days. Bitcoin dominance is breaking down, that causing altcoins to pump more than Bitcoin pumps. And this is a good sign for the altcoin season. And especially Ethereum is doing well, as broke out last week, increased more than 25%. And then after a few days of consolidation, broke out yesterday, and it's now heading to 4,070. And if it will reach this level, I think some rejections and consolidation will happening before breaking it. And then after breaking it, a new all-time high that Ethereum will definitely do. We see altcoins are doing great, and the market is overall is bullish. Let's go and buy some CorionX on PancakeSwap with BNB. Lock up a LP, so provide liquidity on the version 2 liquidity pool, in the version 2 liquidity pool, and lock up your LPs at app.corion.io. Go to farms and choose CorionX BNB farm. This is the farm that we support, and then don't use other farms because they will be closed very, very soon. So use this farm. And guys, I think a really, really amazing week is coming. Good news everywhere. Adoption is happening. Come to Twitter and follow me and follow others, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.